Assalamu alaikum, Shahmir Ahmad from Ownaim Construction, and our today's topic is about testing the concrete. That how can we check the strength of concrete? There are two methods, or two main methods to check the strength of concrete. The first method is pouring of a cylinder in American standard, and the second method is the pouring of cubes, and that method is in the British standard. The first method is American standard with cylinders pouring, and the second method is cube pouring in the British standard. If your concrete has a 3,000 pound per square inch strength and you pour that concrete outside, how can we check the strength of concrete, that concrete really has a strength of 3,000 pound per square inch? When you pour the concrete outside, you will pour these kind of cylinders, these kind of cylinders or cubes outside with the same concrete, which concrete you poured outside. And you pour these kind of cylinders with proper compaction, and after the pouring of these cylinders, in the very next day you dip these cylinders into the water for 28 days. For 28 days or 14 days or 7 days, you can test these cylinders after 3 days, after 7 days, 14 days, 21 days, and the ultimately 28 days. You will provide the proper humidity, proper moisture, proper curing for these cylinders or cubes, and after 28 days you put out these cylinders from the water, and these cylinders bring into the laboratory for the test, and there you can check the strength of these cylinders. After 28 days, you will find you will have to find the strength of 3,000 per square inch. You will test these cylinders into the laboratory, into the machine, and note the reading at the on the machine, that how much strength it has. If its strength has if it has a strength of 3,000 per square inch or more than 3,000 per square inch, it means your cylinder or your concrete which has been poured outside, that it's pass. And if your cylinders fail before reaching the 3,000 pound per square inch rating, it means your cylinders are failed, and it also means that your concrete is also doubtful at the side, or your concrete, in the easy words, your concrete at side is also failed. So uh, you have to be careful. Be careful to pour these kind of cylinders. You have to give proper attention to compaction of this cylinder, proper hammering in this for these cylinders, and the most importantly, curing, proper humidity, proper moisture for these cylinders, and the proper ratio, and also proper
फिर से
batching,
हो गया.
proper batching for the concrete. So inshallah, when you will pour these cylinders with the proper batching, with the proper humidity, with the proper curing, and then you will test these cylinders, it will be passed. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope I clear my point about this topic. If you wanna any other information about civil construction field, if you have any comment, drop comment into the comment box and tell us, and we will be there for another video or another inshallah informative video for you. Allah Hafiz, God bless you.